Hello guys, in this tutorial guys, I want to show you how to create images on leonardo.ai as a beginner. With leonardo.ai, you are able to unleash your creativity using the power of AI. You can create production quality and visual assets for your project with unprecedented quality, speed and style consistency right here. Millions of users have been able to make use of Leonardo AI to create images right here. So right here guys, you can easily cultivate originality and simplified mastery right here. So right here guys, you want to simply just sign up for free and there is no credit card needed. And once you simply do that, it's going to go right here onto this page. So guys, how do you actually create images using leonardo.ai? You want to simply go onto the image generation right here, or you go onto the image tools right here and tap on image generation. So I'm just going to tap on this right here and it's going to take me right onto this page. So once you're right here guys, all you want to simply do is to give this a prompt right here and you are able to generate image right here. You can easily select the number of images right here. You can simply enable the photory, the alchemy, the prompt magic and lots more right there. So guys, all I want to do is to simply just paste in a prompt. So right here guys, I'm just going to paste in this prompt right here and simply just generate right here, and guys, it's going to generate this right here for me. Now this is going to take some few minutes for this to be done generating, so you want to simply be patient for you to be done. So guys, you want to simply be patient for this to be done generating. You can also make use of the image guidance, which is the image to image. You can easily just upload an image right here and you can easily just generate right here. So right here guys, let's go into the generation history. As you can see right here, it is done generating. So let's see what this I've got. So let's see what this have generated for us. Alright guys, so this is it. With just putting in a prompt right here, I was able to create an image that looks like this right here. So guys, you want to simply just do this right here. You give this a prompt and this is going to generate an awesome image right here, and you can easily download this image right into your device. So this is how you can make use of the Leonardo AI to create image right here.